In this video, you'll learn how to add Calendly to your Shopify store. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you will successfully integrate Calendly scheduling capabilities into your online shop, enhancing your customer interaction process. Begin by navigating to calendly.com in your web browser. This site is where you will manage your scheduling settings. Once the page loads, you may need to sign into your account if you have not already done so. Look for the login option in the upper right corner and enter your credentials. After signing in, locate the section labeled Event Types on your dashboard. This area allows you to manage and create different scheduling options. Once you click on Event Types, you will see a list of your current events along with options to add new ones. Next, find the three dots icon next to the event type you wish to embed. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, select the option labeled Add to Website. This action will guide you to the next steps for embedding the calendar into your Shopify store. Once the new screen appears, select the Inline Embed option. This option allows you to integrate the calendar directly into your website layout. After making this selection, click on the Continue button to proceed to the next step. Now, you will see a section with a code snipper. Click on the Copy Code button to save this embed code to your clipboard. This code is essential for adding Calendly functionality to your Shopify store, so ensure it is copied correctly. Next, open a new tab in your browser and go to your Shopify admin panel. If prompted, log in with your store credentials. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Shopify dashboard from which you can manage your store settings. After reaching your Shopify dashboard, locate and click on the Online Store option from the left-hand menu. This section contains all settings related to your store's online presence, including themes and pages. Within the Online Store section, click on Themes. This will display the active theme you're using for your store. Look for the option to edit theme and click on it to access the theme editor. In the theme editor, find and click on the Add Section button to create a new section within your theme. This section will be where you will embed the Calendly code you copied earlier. Once the options for adding sections appear, use the search bar to look for Custom Liquid. This option allows you to add custom code to your Shopify store. Click on Custom Liquid when it appears in the search results. After selecting Custom Liquid, a code editor will open. Here, you will be able to enter the embed code. Click inside the editor and paste the code you copied from Calendly. This action integrates your scheduling functionality into your Shopify site. Next, locate the Save button in the top right corner of the theme editor. Click on Save to ensure that your changes are applied. It is essential to save your work to see the Calendly integration on your live site. Finally, navigate back to your Shopify store and refresh the page to see the newly added Calendly section. Ensure everything looks correct and functions as expected. If you encounter any issues, double check the embed code for any errors. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.